and another option is delete on termination. So when this instance is terminated, the root volume will also be terminated. If we want to protect the root volume, we can uncheck this option so that the C drive will be stored in the volumes, and the server will be terminated. But let's check it, because we don't, what will we do with C drive without the server? Another thing is encrypted. If we want to encrypt it, we can do it here, but right now we are not doing it. Add tags. So tag will help you organize your resources. Like if you have web servers, if you have database servers, if you have application servers, so you can just give them a tag, and you can, like if we want this web server, you can give them tag, and you can easily identify the server usage. Now the next thing is security group. So security groups are basically the firewalls, and what a firewall does is it will allow you to make changes to inbound and outbound rules. So in this case, I will just create a test security group SG, and since it's a Windows server, then RDP should be enabled 3389 port, and the source should be, we will select anywhere, so that we can RDP to this server from anywhere. So this is the only port we would allow right now. Now let's review and launch this server. So it's Windows Server 2012 R2. T2 micro is instance type, 1 CPU, 1 memory, EBS storage, 3389. It's allowed for IPv4 as well as IPv6. Other instance details are, it's an on-demand instance, the purchasing option, VPC, subnet, EBS optimized no, monitoring no, termination protection no, stop, and shutdown behavior stop. So all the things are looking good. Storage is 30 GB volume. Tags we have given it as web server. So now let's launch the instance. Now it will ask for a key pair. So we have to create a key pair which will be used to log into this Windows server. Test key pair. So I'll name it as test key pair. We can create it here only. I have created and I have downloaded this key pair here. Now I'll launch the instance. The instance is launching. Now I will pause the video for some time until the instance is launched fully. Now if you see, the instance is launching and it's doing some status checks. So now let's see what are the status checks. There are two status checks. One is system status check and another is instance status check. So system status check will check the underlying hardware if it's functioning properly or not, and instance status check will check the software and network configuration at the instance level. So let it do the system checks. Once these two checks are successful, the instance will be perfectly launched. Now as you can see, the system check and instance check both are passed. So now the server is ready and we can try to log into the server. Now let's see the description of the server. It is all the configuration that we have defined. Now we will try to log into the server using the public DNS. Do RDP since it's a Windows instance. But before that, we have to get the password using the key pair. So we will click on Actions, Connect, Get Password, choose File. We'll decrypt the password. The password is this. This is the password. Now we'll download the remote desktop file. We will do RDP using the password. Okay. Now it's connecting to the server. So in this video we have learned how to create an instance and how to log in to the instance and what are the parameters we need to set while launching the instance. Now the instance is ready. We can use it for our applications to install applications and other uses. The C drive is of 30 GB. So this is how we will launch the instance in AWS. So thank you for listening. Have a great day.